Hello there.
Hi, guys.
Meet Ta and his furry friends. He is a snow leopard.
Sing it with me.
His head is small, his fur is thick, his eyes are colored gray. His tail is long as we sing this song, and his ears are small and round. He's got spots on his forehead, on his legs, and on his tail. His paws are white to help him climb the mountains oh so high. He's on the endangered species list. Pay attention, all of you. If we don't act now, he'll disappear, never ever to be found. If we don't act now, he'll disappear, never ever to be found. If we don't act now, he'll disappear, never ever to be found. Oh yeah. In Pakistan, the Karakoram and Hindu Kush mountain ranges are its home. But because of the changing climate, his habitat is becoming smaller. You see, in the past 25 years, the snow line has receded by 1,000 meters. This means the vegetation, which is the trees, the plants, grass, the livable area, has shifted upwards with it, leaving the snow leopard less space to move around.
So?
Well, this climate change has resulted in summers getting warmer and longer, which has forced herders to change their traditional behavior.
Which means?
Well, compared to the past 15 years, the herders now stay for an additional 25 days and move their livestock to newer grazing areas, encroaching on the snow leopard's habitat.
And?
Creating a greater chance for herders and livestock to come across a snow leopard and scaring it or killing it. In Gilgit-Baltistan, the temperature is rising by an alarming half a centigrade each year. But that's not all that brings the drastic change. A lot of industrial development across the country, coupled with extensive forest cutting over the last half-century, has considerably shrunk the snow leopard's habitat. Then there are poachers.
Oh no! Poachers! Is that still a thing?
Sadly, yes, it is. Poachers hunt the snow leopard and other animals so they can sell their fur.
No, that is so disgusting and sad.
It really is, isn't it? So, as drastically changing climate shrinks the green pastures and the vegetation,
don't forget the herders.
And the industrialization and the forest cutting, the snow leopard's entire habitat is on the verge of collapse, which means it's hotter, noisier, more polluted with a receding snow line.
And the evil poachers.
And the poachers, you get the drift, right? There's just very little space left for Ta and his friends to play anymore, and life is pretty tough for them. Ta is tired of having to move again, and again, and again, and again.
So sad.
That is, until Inshal comes along.
Yay!
You see, every Friday, she plants a grass seed in the garden patch outside her home on the side of the mountain. She waters it, talks to the plants, plants fruits, and keeps things growing. As Inshal gets older, her garden continues to fill up. Because of Inshal, Ta and his friends are happy because they have a place to call home. A place that is safe and nice. A place they can play with their friends, eat, and run around freely. A place they can truly call home. Inshal is just one person who believes that all species deserve to live, that they must be saved. Imagine if each one of us planted seeds and grew grass, just like Inshal. Ta and so many of his friends would be happy, healthy, and safe again. Play your part. Take responsibility. Be responsible.